Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is happy. God bless you and your family. I welcome everyone back to my class. Today we are going to discuss about a new lesson, universe and space. The universe, it's everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure or detect. It includes living things. Planet, star, galaxies, dust, cloud, light, and even time. Before the birth of the universe, time, space, matter did not exist. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each containing millions or billions of stars. The space between the stars and galaxy is largely empty. However, even place far from star and planet contain scattered particle of dust or a few hydrogen atoms per cubic centimeter space is magnetic field and high energy particles. Example, cosmic rays. The universe, it's an incredible huge. It would take a modern jet fighter more than a million years to reach the nearest star to the sun. Traveling at the speed of light, it could take 1 lakh years to cross our Milky Way galaxy alone. No one knows exact size of the universe because we cannot see the edge. If there is one, all we do know is that visible universe is at least 93 billion light years across. A light year, the distance light travel in 1 year, about 9 trillion kilometers. The universe has not always been the same size. Scientists believe it began in a Big Bang, which took place nearly 14 million years ago. Since then, the universe has been expanding outward at a very high speed. So, the area of the space we now see is a billion of times bigger than it was when the universe was very young. The galaxies are also moving further apart as the space between them expand. Now move on. Geocentric theory. Sky, it's a wonderful. Sun, moon, star all appear to rise in the east and move toward the west, giving us an impression that all these objects are going around the earth. Just as in a moving bus, the distant mountain and tree appear to move backward. Perhaps really earth is the spinning, and that is why sun, moon and star appear to go around the earth. Does the earth revolve around the sun or the sun revolve around the earth? Well, how do you know about it? When you look at the night sky, you can see lot of twinkling objects, but a few of them differ from the others. They don't twinkle, and while there are stars hold fixed pattern from tonight this draft. Two observations supported the idea that Earth was the center of the universe. First, from anywhere on the Earth, the sun appeared revolved around the Earth once in a day, while the moon and the planet have their own moving. They also appear to revolve around the Earth about once per day. Next one, how moon exhibited phases. Astronomer in a scientist times also observed certain fact. The Purananuru 65 of Sangam literature, the poet Kalathalayar singing in appreciation of the chairman Peruncheralnathan says, on the day when the full moon appears, the sun and moon look at each other with their bright light. In the evening time, one pair hide behind the mountains. On the full moon day, when the sun is sitting in the west, preciously at the same time, moon rise at the east. That is, both the sun and moon are in the opposite side. Likewise, when it is waning of moon, the moon is raised when it is midnight and a waxing of moon rays during the noon. From such observations and modeling, ancient astronomer could explain why we have waxing and waning of moon. It is probably easier to understand the waxing and waning of moon is the order of new moon and full moon, and then how the first and third quarter moon appear and then phase in between. Sun is the sources of light. Sunlight fall on the spherical earth but only on the side of the facing sun, the opposite side of the earth without sunlight. As the earth spin day and night follow, the different part of the earth appear before the sun. That is, at all time, one half of the earth illuminated by sun and one half is darkness. Likewise, at all time, one half moon illuminated by sun and opposite side is darkness. Now move on, epicycles. Moon going around earth with 27 days period nicely explain its moving. However, astronomer in ancient time faced a problem in explaining the motion of the known 5 planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. Moon is the background of the stars, moved every day eastward nicely. For example, if we were observing the moving of Mars from January, it would appear to move eastward in the background stars. That is, positions of Mars today will be near a star which is east of the star near which it was yesterday. However, on June 28 we will see change. From the date, the Mars would appear to move west rather than its normal eastward moving. This reversals of directions of planet is called retrograde moving. If we continue to observe in August 28, once again in the Mars would appear to reverse the directions again on its usual eastward moving in the celestial sphere. Usually Jupiter is brighter than Mars. However, around the period retrograde moving, the Mars was much brighter than other times, even brighter than Jupiter. Now move on, arrival of telescope. Telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey, but Galileo used it for studying the sky for the first time. Telescope showed more universe was the visible to naked eye. Now we will going to discuss about origin of the universe. Have you ever wondered how the universe started, how all of this came into begin. Ever hear of the Big Bang Theory? No, not the TV show. The Big Bang is the theory astronomers used to explain how our universe came into being. And it's too bad we could not be there witness it because the Big Bang was quite a show. The Big Bang theory is the current model that describes the early development of the universe. The universe started as a little speak of a hot, super massive, and super dense ball. Everything that is currently in the universe came from that speak. Every single proton, neutron, atom, and so forth came from that ball. About 13.7 billion years ago, bang, a violent explosion hurled the material within the ball into all directions of the space. The universe expanded quickly after the Big Bang and continues to expand today. As the universe expanded and cooler things started to form, including neutron, proton, atom, star, and galaxy. All the different elements in the universe that exist today developed from initial ball 13.7 billion years ago. Universe timeline. You can visualize the development of the universe by imagining a timeline. The timeline starts with the birth of the universe. Here you see initial speak. Then the Big Bang happened. Bang. In this is instant all energy and matter is created. 1 second later, the universe expanded and all the particles form such as neutron, proton and electron. 3 minutes later, the universe takes space. Proton, neutron come together to form element. At this time, the universe is largely made up of helium and hydrogen, which are two of the simplest element in extension. 500,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe is a huge, hot cloud of gas that is starting to cool. 1 million years after the Big Bang, star and galaxy are born. Gravity starts exerting its force. Although the universe as a whole expands certain packet of gases contents. 3 billion years after the Big Bang, smaller galaxies merge into large ones. These galaxies are shaped like spiral or sphere. Sometimes the galaxy merge so violent that there are form of gigantic black holes. The future. Only 5 billion years ago, our sun was born and the Milky Way galaxy was formed. If we were to look into the future 3 billion years from now, our Milky Way will be swallowed up by our neighboring galaxy Andromeda. 100 billion years from now, a few galaxies will survive, but most will have flown apart. Our Earth and Sun will have long since died out. Now move on. Building block of universe. As stated above, the universe is constitute of galaxy. Just as a lot of house in our locality constitute a village or a city, we have lot of things such as room, furniture, etc. in our homes. Likewise, a lot of stellar objects such as star, planets, asteroids, and meteors are the building block of our universe. Now we will going to discuss about galaxy. Look at the clear night sky. Check out our galaxy. There are so many stars of there, too many to even count. Astronomers estimate there are more than 100 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and more than 100 billion galaxies in the whole universe. That is a lot of stars. So, how did our galaxy form? How does any galaxy form, and what is galaxy anyway? Let's start at the beginning. Galaxy is a group of stars, dust and gas held together by gravity. Galaxy formed after the universe was born. The universe, which include all of extension including planet, star, galaxy, the content of the intergalactic space, and all matter and energy was born with the Big Bang. Already I told you, the Big Bang occurred when a small bit of mass suddenly exploded and spread outward to form the universe. When it was first born, our universe was quite homogeneous. There was little structure and no galaxy. Galaxy come in three broad categories based on the role of the bulge and the disk. The category are elliptical, spiral, and irregular. The one you are probably most familiar with is our own Milky Way, pancake flat spiral galaxy. Types of galaxy. First one, spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxy are thin, dense, and highly organized disk of gas and star that rotate very fast. The disk in spiral galaxy are very fragile and merged with other galaxy can quickly destroy them. Spiral galaxy have three main parts: bulge, disk, and hollow. Think of the classic picture of an old spaceship. The bulge is the spherical structure found in the center of the galaxy. These features mostly contain older stars. The disk is made of dust, gas, and younger star. The disk has spiral arm. Our sun and solar system are located in one of the arm of the Milky Way spiral galaxy. The halo of the galaxy is a loose spherical structure located around the bulge and some of the disk. Second one, elliptical galaxy. It's a types of galaxy having an approximately ellipsoidal space and a smooth image, unlike flat spherical galaxy with organization and structure. Elliptical galaxy are three-dimensional without much structure, and their stars are in somewhat random orbit around the center. Interestingly, stars found inside the elliptical galaxy are on the average much older than stars found in the spiral galaxy. Elliptical galaxies tend to be surrounded by large number of globular clusters. Now move on. Irregular galaxy. An irregular galaxy is a galaxy that does not have distinct regular shape. Unlike a spiral or an elliptical galaxy, they are often chaotic in the appearance. with neither nuclear bulge nor any trace of spiral arm structure. About one fourth of the galaxy found. So, fair or of these types. Cosmologists say that some irregular galaxy were once spiral or elliptical galaxy but were deformed by an uneven external gravitational force. Irregular galaxy may contain abundant amount of gas and dust. Next, last one, barrier spiral. A barrier spiral galaxy, it's a spiral galaxy with a center bar shaped structure composed of stars. Bars are formed in approximately in the 2/3 to 1/3 of all spiral galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy, where our own solar system is located, it's classified as barred spiral galaxy. Today's science assignment, answer the following, learn question answers. Thank you.